Belong from British? Hi, ma'am. So I can talk to you?
Yeah, sure.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
Oh, Italy is very famous place.
Yeah, also India.
So where all did you visit nowadays?
What?
From where are you coming here? From which place?
We in Italy or
No. In the India.
in India? No, we just arrived here. So that's
Just-
the first day in India. Yeah.
Oh, you just came here.
Yeah. We landed yesterday.
Okay. So you have to go inside Red Fort.
No, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. We just take a look around because I think it's late for that now.
Oh, you are late.
Yeah.
So actually right now I am learning English, practicing English
Yeah. Sure.
because I have to visit all over world. That's why I am learning. So so you would like to speak something in my blog? I tell you something.
Just something. Yeah.
Just
Delhi is beautiful.
Delhi is beautiful
Yeah.
also. And actually he came for visiting the Red Fort area. Okay. So just he just speaking something. So speak.
Yeah, Delhi is beautiful, but it's a bit hot for
Okay.
me at least.
Okay.
And I mean,
So what's your name?
my name is Matteo.
Matteo.
क्यों तुझ पे मुझे प्यार
And your?
Bianca.
Bianca.
आया है
So she is your wife.
No,
Boyfriend, girlfriend.
Oh, the girl.
समझ रहे हो?
Girlfriend.
not wife.
She is your girlfriend. Okay, no problem. So when will you go Italy?
In 3 weeks.
After second week.
Yeah. 10 weeks.
Okay, no problem. So you can visit, but no problem. Okay, everybody looking you,
Yeah.
and they want to take the photo with you.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
surely. So bye sir, bye ma'am.
अखियां ना गोली मार दिया
Okay,
It's nice meeting you.
nice
अखियां ना गोली मार दिया
to meet you and nice to talk to you also. Bye bye. You can speak English? No, but I am speaking English. Okay, so this location is fine, I think. So I would like to give the 4 and 5%. So hello ma'am, everyone guest.
देखूं जब देखूं इससे दिल धड़के तड़पे जवानी दाएं आँख
Punch it.
से देखा तुमको
You can punch. So what is this? You can guess. You are speaking English better than me, I think. Okay,
ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ
but you can give. Take it. No, you don't eat the chocolate. Okay, bye.
You are an English blogger.
Yes, I am English blogger. So first of all, I would like to tell you what's your name.
But this for your
आने तो हमको सासन में रस्सियों बाटावा देंगे
blog.
Yes, this is my blog.
Hi.
एक सीबा भी गर्मी अब डोल जाई लोग के
It's him blog. His blog.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
his vlog.
पानी भी पीते हैं तो लगता है टकीला है वो नशा
So first, tell me what's your name.
I'm not subscribed yet.
So tell me, ma'am. Elizabeth.
तेरी नजर ने क्या कर दी
Elizabeth, where are you from?
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know where is a Barcelona, but you spoke already.
मुझसे ही मुझको जुदा कर
So actually, right now I'm making a vlog in English.
दिया मैं रहता हूँ
Okay, actually I am a blogger, so that's why.
Hello.
We are Indonesian, yeah. We are Indonesian. Yeah, we are Indonesian.
अब मुझको मेरा एहसास
Okay, but I would like to give you some gift. So
दिल कहता है कसम से
So can you punch it?
Yang bagus-bagus sih pilih
So
anjir.
what is it?
ये थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार हुआ तुमसे
Can you guess it?
ये थोड़ा इकरार हुआ तुम
No. No. So you can guess it. What is this?
Candy.
In my hand?
Candy.
Candy only.
Only candy. What is
No. This is chocolate.
chocolate? Okay, I will give you. Cola.
Oh, Coca-Cola. But actually, this is not cool.
Yeah, not cool, but it's okay. It's
It's
still
okay.
refreshing. Yeah?
Okay. Bye. Thank you for giving me this gift.
Thank you so much for.
Actually, ma'am, I can ask you some question about English, not negative, only positive.
खिसियात बाड़ू जान ले बुका
Okay, no problem. Okay, many kind of person are crying. Why are you making a video? Because I have to speak. So, sir, I'm a blogger.
Sure. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Where are you from?
From England.
England.
England, yeah.
Actually, right now I am learning English
Yeah?
because I have to go England for visiting.
Oh, nice.
So, which place should I visit? Can you tell me? Give me any suggestion.
Well, we're from London, so we like London. There's
She's
a-
from London.
Yeah, from London. We came.
She's your wife?
No, friend, yeah.
Friend.
But
Means girlfriend.
yeah, girlfriend, yeah.
Okay.
We, yeah, there's a lot to see in London, so spend a lot of time there. It's the best place to see. Yeah.
So, from when are we in India?
From yesterday.
From yesterday?
Yes.
You came yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Straight from London.
so where all did you visit? Where did you visit?
Well, we just came here.
Just
yesterday.
came here.
Yeah, we came here.
It's Glody Garden first place. Your first place.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, but your camera is so best, I think.
Huh?
Best.
Best?
How much did it cost?
Not that much. Not too much.
Not too much.
No, not too much. It's not. I've seen a lot of people with bigger cameras.
But
around here. They have
one day I will buy a camera, best camera, because I have to be blogger. That's why.
Huh? Okay.
That's why. Therefore, I will buy.
Nice.
So I can buy or not. I can
yeah.
buy a camera.
Yeah. Eventually. Yeah.
Okay, definitely. When I will go visit for England, USA, European countries, so definitely I will buy.
Yeah.
So you will speak something in my blog.
Okay. About what? What should I say?
Actually, right now I am learning English, as well as right now I am making a blog because I have to become a best fluently speaker in English language.
Yeah.
Because English language is an international language. That's why I am learning it.
Yeah. Your English is
Okay.
very good. Yeah. Very
English
good.
is good.
How long have you been learning?
Actually, I have been learning for 2 years, but I bought a grammar class.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and just 2 months I started making a blogs and I started a conversation, attend a conversation.
Yeah.
So right now I am speaking English little bit. I think I actually right now I'm not getting a nervous according to you. You are judging me?
Yeah. Good judgment. It's very good.
I am speaking good.
Grammar is very good as well. Yeah. Perfect grammar. Yeah.
Perfect
The
grammar.
classes
actually.
are working. Yeah.
This is a classic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So ma'am,
nice.
you would like to
मुझे
speak?
नहीं मुझे ब्लॉग
जानवारी में तुहरा के देखते
Oh, but you speak Hindi.
Yes.
You speak
Your
Hindi.
English is very good.
Your
Okay,
English.
हो गया.
देती हनी हम दिल हो
Okay, but bye.
Okay.
Good luck.
Bye. Good luck.
See you.
Foreigners. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
We're good. How are you?
जाने मन जाने अदा हो तुम
You are fine. Oh yeah. So you are fine. So I am also fine. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Actually, I would like to give you some gifts. So would you like to?
Can we take a video of you too?
मेरी धड़कन की सदा हो तुम
Okay, you can check it. Punch it.
Oh, I'm scared.
Yes. What is it? You can check. You can check.
much? 1 million.
No, actually, this is a bomb. I think.
Open your hand.
Open my hand.
Open your hand.
Open it. So
Oh no, you open your hand first.
okay, first.
It,
This is chocolate. Actually,
Oh my goodness!
Who wants it? Who wants the bomb?
I was the closest one.
Best? Okay, this is for you. I think joke. Khali.
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Yes, English is spoken blocks.
English spoken block.
Actually, right now I am learning English because I have to visit overall all world.
You're very good at it so far. Not bad.
No bad, good English.
Bad.
Good English, yes.
Very nice.
So, where are you from, all of you?
South Africa.
South Africa.
South Africa.
So, I welcome to you in my country, in India.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, friends, I would like to listen you one that song. This is the song of Pawan Singh. Okay. Actually, I am an English blogger. ओ हसेलू तभाग हमार जाग जहावे जा हमरो उमर ए जा हमरो उमर ए जा हमरो उमर तोहरे के लाग जहावे wow nice to meet you actually he spoke your tongue is very best so you would like to listen of one song of the Pawan Singh. So that's why this is a small song. I am not a singer, but I am a blogger. I will try to singing a song. So okay, bye bye.
कभी शाम ढले तो मेरे